Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix low braking power in your Toyota Highlander. First, always check your brake fluid reservoir. Low fluid is a common culprit. Next, visually inspect all brake lines for any signs of leaks or damage, as this can significantly impact pressure. Finally, pay close attention to any unusual sounds like grinding or squealing when you press the brake pedal. One of the most frequent reasons for reduced braking power is simply worn brake pads. If your pedal feels soft or spongy, you likely have air trapped in your brake lines, which needs to be bled out. Another significant factor could be a failing brake booster, which provides power assist, making your pedal feel much harder to press. For more advanced troubleshooting, you'll want to test your master cylinder for any internal leaks, as this can prevent proper pressure buildup. Also, carefully examine your brake calipers for sticking pistons or uneven pad wear, which can severely compromise braking. Remember, bleeding the brake system thoroughly is crucial to remove any trapped air causing a soft pedal. To restore full braking power, promptly replace any worn brake pads and rotors. Regular maintenance, including flushing and refilling your brake fluid every 2 years or 30,000 miles, is essential for optimal performance and longevity. And hey, while you're working hard, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.